Justo Consulting LC is one of the fastest growing digital marketing and web solutions company. Now in this video we are talking about SEO. So what is SEO? Well, it stands for search engine optimization. It is the science of improving our website to increase its visibility when people search for products or services. The more visibility a website has on search engine, the more likely it is brand capture the business. Benefits of SEO are SEO builds trustworthiness and brands credibility. It improves your site's authority through obtaining backlinks from other trustworthy sites in your sector. Local customers can be attracted using search engine optimization. Local clients may be attracted by having a correctly designed Google My Business page and knowledge graph panel. It allows you to target a certain audience and drive high-quality traffic to your website without being obtrusive.